Hello Jutta family, it's Adriana. I'm not in the shelter. I am doing voiceovers for Jutta Shelter's videos because we thought it might be better than Greek videos with subtitles. I hope you enjoy it. The kittens you can see are a very interesting and unusual story. Over a month ago, we agreed to foster a cat for a lady that is going away and she's coming back. She went abroad and she's coming back. To get this cat that she rescued. She's a foreigner and rescued this cat just before she was due to go home. So we agreed to take the cat, and soon after that the cat gave birth. Nobody had any idea that this cat was pregnant. So we still have mom and kittens, and because the mother was in our big enclosure, the kittens now are going around the enclosure. They are very sweet. All the other cats are used to them. They all accept them. And the kittens go between enclosures, so they're helping themselves to everybody else's food. And they play and play and play, very sweet. See, look, he's going next door to the other enclosure. You can see Oscar coming out of one of the carriers. We've decided to put old broken carriers inside their enclosures, so somewhere extra for them to sleep on. We put towels and they seem to like it. So rather than waste broken carriers, we are using them as extra dwellings, I guess. Now look at these little kittens. They run around, but they always run back to mama, or when mama calls them, see, look, they go back to mama. When mama calls them, they run back to her, which is very, very lovely. So that's the surprising news. Thank you very much, Jutta family, for your support. And yeah, nobody expected that one. This is Grace, who is doing really well now that she can see better. And everybody else is in their cushions. Thank you again. Bye-bye.